The SRU is Alfa Laval's core rotary lobe pump. In addition to being able to handle the widest range of temperatures and pressures, the SRU offers the most extensive options in our rotary lobe pump portfolio. The SRU has heavy-duty shafts and taper roller bearings throughout. And combined with highly simplified construction and maintenance procedures, it reduces the need for maintenance and the risk of costly downtime. The SRU features the taper lock timing system. This system allows quick and easy synchronization of the rotors, highly simplifying the timing procedure and reducing maintenance cost. By simply tightening a few screws, the gear and shaft are securely locked together. Also, with the elimination of keyways, users can benefit from increased pump life. The SRU provides many seal solutions, which makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. The SRU offers the choice of single, single flush, and double mechanical seals, all of which are easily interchangeable. Seals are also available in R90 and high clean versions, as well as other proprietary seal designs. In short, the SRU has the right seal for the job, resulting in long seal life and reduced maintenance. The SRU also features universal mounting, which gives you complete installation flexibility throughout the plant. Adding to its flexibility, the SRU features tri-lobe and bilobe rotors in 316L stainless steel. The tri-lobe is our standard option and provides gentle and efficient product handling, suitable for most applications. High-precision manufacturing combined with world-class quality control ensures that pump components are completely interchangeable without the need for complex rebuild procedures. This results in highly simplified maintenance and reduction of costly downtime. The bilobe rotor is the best solution for pumping liquids containing solids with minimal damage. For improved volumetric efficiency when transferring low viscosity liquids, the bilobe rotors are also available in non-galling alloy. This allows closer pump head clearance and reduced slip. Among the other options available are the integral relief valves, jackets and saddles, and a rectangular inlet. The relief valve can be retrofitted to a previously installed pump and protects the pump from overpressurization. Saddles and jackets are used when heating or cooling of the pump head is required. The rectangular inlet enables extremely viscous products to be pumped. The SRU is perfectly suited for both cleaning and sterilization in place. It is certified to EHEDG 3A and complies with many stringent standards and directives, including CE, FDA, and ATEX. The SRU is also available in a wide range of materials, surface finishes, and with material traceability. Robust, flexible, and easy to maintain, The SRU is a member of the Rotary Lobe pump family, which includes the OptiLobe and SX. The OptiLobe provides cost-effective reliability for general applications, while the SX is our premium product for ultra-sensitive and ultra-clean applications.